up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Jacelyn and welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I am going to be doing another curly hair tutorial video, and this one was actually requested, so I'm going to go ahead and do it for you. So I'm going to be using Cantu products. Well, I'm only going to be using one Cantu product and a few other products that I already own. But if you guys are interested in me doing a video on just Cantu, then comment down below and let me know. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to find all the Cantu products that I wanted to use for this video when I went shopping yesterday, so I'm only using one of their products. But like I said, if you guys want to see a video just using their products, comment down below. They're an affordable curling product, and they're a lot cheaper than Shea Moisture, Camille, Rose, and other type of products that I've been using. So if you guys want to see how I got my curls using Cantu and a few of my other products, then just keep on watching. Alright guys, so I went ahead and washed my hair in the shower and I deep conditioned it, and I left it in there for probably like almost an hour. So my hair is still pretty wet. Not as wet, but I got my bottle spray to spray my hair if it starts getting too dry. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the products that I'm gonna be using. Some of these you've seen in my previous videos and some you have not. Okay, so the first product that I'm gonna be using is actually a product I use on my baby girl, and the reason why I'm using it is because I forgot to buy leave-in conditioner when I went shopping yesterday. So I'm gonna be using my baby's. This is what I use for her hair. It is the Coconut and Hibiscus Kids Extra Moisturizing Detangler with Slippery Elm and Marshmallow Extract. So I'm just going to go ahead and just spray this all over my hair just to give it that extra moisture and help detangle my hair. It's going to be like my replacement for my leave-in conditioner. I'm actually going to just spray it in my hand and then run it through my hair. I use it on my baby girl's hair. It leaves it really shiny and moisturizing, and it really helps to detangle her hair. Alright, so now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go ahead and part my hair into two different sections and add the products in my hair. Alright, so the next product is the affordable product that I picked up at Walmart. It is the Cantu Shea Butter for Natural Hair Coconut Curling Cream. So I usually use the activator, and they didn't have the activator. Like, this Walmart really didn't have as many products as they usually do. I guess they were running low and they didn't stock up. But I picked this one up. So I compared this one with the enhancing smoothie that Shea Moisture has. That one's like 10 or 12 bucks, and this one I think was like $5.87. And this texture is a lot more thinner than the smoothie, which is great because I'm trying not to use thick products on my hair so it doesn't weigh down my curls. So it's this consistency right here. So I'm going to add a pretty good amount to this bottom part of my hair. So a little bit about the Cantu Shea Butter. Like I mentioned, it was $5.87. It is the coconut curling cream. It helps define, moisturize, and it also helps strengthen strands. No sulfates, parabens, silicones, pathways, paraffin, or propylene glycol. So it has none of those chemicals in your hair, so it's good to use for your hair. And the styling method I'm going to use for this is the denim brush. You guys know I love using the denim brush to curl my hair because it gives me really nice defined curls, and it still does give me pretty good volume. If you guys want to see any other type of methods, comment down below and let me know what you guys would like to see, because I love creating this kind of content for you guys. So comment down below what other methods you guys have seen circulating around the web, or what you guys would like for me to create for you guys. So next, I'm gonna go ahead and use this baby right here. You guys seen me use it before, the Miel Honey and Ginger Styling Gel. And nothing new here. I'm just gonna do like 1.5 pumps and add that all over my hair. You guys, ever since I got my hair cut, it is like so much easier to do my hair, so much quicker. And I really like it. I can tell my hair is already starting to get long because I looked at some pictures of when back in October when I cut my hair compared to now, and my hair grows so quick, like really quick. I didn't realize how quick my hair grows. Honestly, it makes me want to cut my hair again, because I was looking back at a picture and I really liked how my hair turned out when Nubia cut it. At first, I was like, oh my god, it's so short. I don't know if I'm gonna get used to this. I've never had my hair this short, but you guys, honestly, it's so much easier to manage your hair when it's that short. The way she cut it gave me so much more volume compared to how my hair was when it was straight. And I just love it. I just feel like a whole different person with short hair. So if you guys follow me, do you guys have short curly hair? Or do you guys have long hair? What kind of hair length do you guys prefer? Do you guys prefer long hair? Do you guys prefer short hair? Let me know. I've had a lot of people comment stating that I make them want to cut their hair. And you guys, honestly, if you guys are 100% sure that you guys want to do it and you're like willing to go do it, I will highly, highly, highly recommend that you guys do it. You just gotta find a stylist that knows how to cut curly hair, knows how to cut the shape that you want, or create a shape that's gonna suit your face, because once you get that stylist that knows how to cut your hair, I'm telling you, short hair is where it's at. Sometimes I miss my long hair, don't get me wrong, but right now I'm really, really loving my short hair. Alright guys, so I'm just gonna go ahead and speed through this process, that way I don't bore you guys to death. Those curls, oh my god, what a difference these curls look compared to the rake and shake method. If you guys haven't seen that video, I'll go ahead and link it up here or up here, but you guys should definitely check that video out. If you guys have not heard of the rake and shake, it's like the first curling method that ever, I believe, came out, and everybody was like doing it, and it said it gave you such defined curls and it really enhanced your curls. But all these new methods that have came out, I swear it tops it. The finger coiling gives it a lot more defined curls. This denim brush gives it more defined curls. Those are the only two methods I really know of. I don't know if there's any other methods that can give you really defined curls, but these curls look so much more defined compared to when I was doing that rake and shake method. Alright guys, so you guys already know I'm going to go ahead and just scrunch up all of these curls to really activate my curls and define them even more. Because that's what curling is all about. Scrunch, scrunch, scrunch. To really make those curls pop. So you guys, I got a new camera lens, and just let me know how you guys feel about this one. So I'm shooting right now with my Canon. And I usually shoot with this camera when I'm doing makeup tutorials because it's a lot more, I feel like it's a lot more professional and more sharp when doing my makeup. And then when I do hair tutorials, I usually shoot with my Sony Alpha 5100. But I'm actually using my Canon today, and I got a new lens. So it's a 50mm lens, and it helps you focus the background when I'm filming. So right now, I'm actually liking this lens. Let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like this lens, or you guys prefer my Sony, the other one I use when I do curly hair videos? Comment down below, and yeah, let me know what you guys prefer. You guys already know I like to part this separately because I like to do the front part of my hair differently than the rest of my hair. You guys, and this is how my hair turned out using all those products. So if you guys like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, you guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. If you have yet to subscribe to my channel, what are you doing? Hit the subscribe button down below, or my little face icon will pop up right there. And most importantly, don't forget to turn on your notifications. That way you guys don't miss out any more of my videos. I will see you guys next time. Bye, loves.